Hello everyone, I'm Walker. Today I'd like to introduce you itools mobile and the app. They are independent of the official Pokemon Go app. If the official Pokemon Go app update, you still can use this to play Pokemon Go to spoof. It doesn't like Pogo Double Plus. You need to wait for update. Now let's turn on the app and plug my itools mobile in. Okay, you can see the green icon means they are connected. The most important function I have to say is it can create routes along Pokestops and gyms in few seconds automatically, like this. Okay, enter 1000, generate, apply it. Okay, that's the route. Just in few seconds, let's play Pokemon Go. It can save to share with your friend. And you can go A to B, B to A, and how many circles. Then press start. It will go. Also, we have joystick to move around. And you can enter GPS coordinates to fly everywhere and save it as our favorite. Also, walk mode. You want to walk here from here to here and move, it will go. Yeah, it goes. And you can create routes as you like. I like to walk. Okay, move here and it will go. Then I'd like to introduce you how to install the app and how to own one of these. And I think the best way is let's do it steps by steps. Because of my poor English, I cannot give you all the details, so it won't take you too much time to watch this. If you have any questions, you can ask me below the video or join my Discord. First of all, we need to fill an order. Turn on the browser and search for Walker Pokemon. Okay, the second one, Walker Pokemon. You can see the latest video of mine and click it. There is an arrow down, click it. We are looking for the links for itools mobile. Okay, IT mobile, this is only for itools mobile. If you want to buy with an Go Plus, you can try this link, itools M and plus 4. Okay, let's try it. And then press next. Okay, you have to change to computer mode because there is no place to fill your Apple ID, so we change to computer website. Okay, here is the order you have to fill. You can see Apple ID here. And after finish it, submit order, we can get 2 emails from PayPro Global. One is order invoice, and one is talking about things you buy, the order is complete. Now we are waiting for another email sent to your Apple ID because Apple ID is an email account, right? Before we receive it, we can download test fly first. Test fly first. Okay, download it. Oh, we don't need to turn on. And now, if you receive the email, okay, it looks like this. Test fly. And Lina Chen has invited you to test itools General. And you click view in test fly. You have to click view in test fly. And you will looks like this. Okay, and you have to press install and open. Allow. Got it. Okay, finished. You have installed itools General, itools Mobile, this app. Now let's see how it works in Pokemon Go. First of all, I just make a route. Enter instant 1000, generate, apply it, start. Oh, sorry, I need to adjust the speed. Okay, it will be more clearly. 54 kilometer an hour. Okay, and apply it, start. Let's get in the game. It will go. Yes, it goes. It will go along gyms and Pokestops. This is the first one, and it goes to another gyms. Also, let's connect with Go Plus. itools, the Go Plus of itools, charge for half an hour. It can use for 12 hours. And there is a switch. When it turns left, you can just, I just show you. Automatically, you can get something from the stop. Find Pokestops. Okay, it automatically. Sorry. And if you turn to right, it will become manual. Then press it. You will get something from Pokestops. And you can see it goes along the gyms and stops, Pokestops. So this is the best. Okay, let's turn back. I think this is the best function of itools Mobile. It's so effective. Effective. Sorry for my poor English. Okay, let's see another function. Pause, close it. Wait. Let's see joystick. Okay. What? It's a pity that joystick cannot connect it with the Pokemon Go. Just they cannot show together. So you can work here. Okay, the joystick go, and you go in the game. The direction, I think the best is just north. Okay, and normalize to north. And let's go by joystick. Okay, turn right. Go right. Go to the right place, and it will go right. And go up. It will go up. So this is the joystick function. And the walk mode. I'd like to go from here to there. And I still make sure my speed. Okay, 54. Okay, and go move here. Start. Did I show how to save it to share? Press this one and add to notes. Save. Now saved. Let's go back to the game. Okay, move here. Go, it goes. Then we see. Okay, it goes. No delay. Go, go, go. So this is walk mode. Then we try another function. We make loops by ourselves. Okay, here. Move here. If you want to save, then save. Start. First, I just want to make sure my speed. Okay, 54. Okay, move here. Move here. Start. Okay, it goes. And go plus still work. Oh, give me some time because we move too fast. So we find the stops and get something from stops. Thank you for watching today. This is my first English video. Sorry for my poor English again. If you like it, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please ask me below the video or join my Discord. Thank you for watching. Thank you.